People in high-risk groups like the elderly or cancer patients were not included in clinical trials for the coronavirus vaccine.
Well, tonight UPMC is out with some new information on how the vaccine is affecting those groups. Here's Dr. Maria Simbra.
Two groups have been advised to get the COVID-19 vaccine: people in nursing homes.
This 1% of the U.S. population that resides in long-term care represents 33% of all U.S. deaths from this disease.
And people with cancer.
These patients are at very high risk for death if they develop COVID-19.
But clinical trials leading to emergency use authorization of the vaccines did not include these groups. Now UPMC announces preliminary data on how these people respond to vaccination. In nursing homes, among 70 volunteers,
the levels varied significantly among individuals, but all of them had antibodies.
Among 67 patients with cancer of the blood, bone marrow, and lymph nodes,
more than half, so 54%, actually produced detectable antibodies to the COVID-19 virus.
Because almost half did not, Dr. Haydar recommends that people continue to mask and distance even after vaccination, and especially people with these cancers. The findings did not surprise the doctors because people in these groups have had less robust responses to other vaccines. Dr. Ney says even after full vaccination, some of the nursing home residents developed COVID, but
these individuals after the second shot have been asymptomatic. So that means the vaccine is providing some degree of protection there.
To prevent hospitalization and death, the doctors urged people with early illness to get IV treatment.
The demand for monoclonal antibodies at our infusion sites and emergency departments more than quadrupled. We have treated more patients in the last 3 weeks than at any point in time prior.
More work needs to be done to figure out why some patients with cancer did not produce antibodies, and also how people with HIV, autoimmune diseases, and transplants respond to the vaccine. I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA News.